Sunlight is a basic resource of biological survival as well as a renewable resource. In recent years, people are increasingly using solar energy. As the technology continuously develops, Chinese photovoltaic power generation industry have made remarkable achievements, and its industrial scale and technical level averagely reaches the world's leading level. Continuously strengthening photovoltaic technology innovation and industrial upgrading are the important guarantees to improve the high quality, low cost, and large-scale developments of photovoltaic power generation. YANGLIN Xiamen Technology Company Limited, as an integrating enterprise engaged in R&D, manufacture, and sale, according to the national related requirements and national industrial policies, conducts photovoltaic products and technologies import and export business. YANGLIN Tech builds a well-established quality management system with its excellent R&D team and professional service team. YANGLIN Tech passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and has obtained utility model patents for photovoltaic panel adjustable bracket and solar panel extrusion devices. For example, the utility new patent for solar brackets installation and color steel tile roof solar mounting roof hooks. Furthermore, YANGLIN Tech acquired more than 20 items utility new patents. YANGLIN Tech provides a series of standardized products for program planning, design and manufacture, relying on its own strength. YANGLIN Tech also provides customized solution services based on the customer's actual demands. YANGLIN Tech insists on setting the customer in the first position all the time and tries its best to provide one-stop solar mounting system and other related system solution for global customers. Today, YANGLIN Tech has become the leading companies in China which manufacture solar mounting systems and solar-related products. YANGLIN Tech covers wide ranges in photovoltaic industry. According to the customer's requirements, YANGLIN Tech designs many kinds of aluminum and steel structures, successively develop different types of photovoltaic mounting system, such as ground mounting system, roof mounting system, balcony mounting system, solar carport, water floating system, ground screw, and etc. Besides, YANGLIN also undertakes system design and construction of photovoltaic systems, such as distributed photovoltaic, industrial and commercial photovoltaic, charging pile photovoltaic, etc. The industry chain mainly locates in cities Xiamen, Fuzhou, and Zhangzhou. The factory owns about 50,000 square meters total area, with professional, high-standard, fully automated production lines of solar mounting system and accessories productions. The factory mainly uses aluminum and steel material to produce a full range of solar mounting brackets accessories, with precision, standard, and efficiency by using numerical control equipment. The material mostly used is aluminum. For aluminum products, the processing methods are extrusion, punching, bending, self-tapping, etc. For steel products, the processing methods are rolling, bending, automatic welding, and other technologies. Through these technologies, the factory produces a large number of different types of products in a stable and efficient manner, meeting the diverse needs of global customers. The factory adopts intelligent and efficient automated production lines to extrude and process aluminum materials, from profiles to parts and finished products. It maximizes the plasticity of aluminum to ensure the high quality of products by designing various advanced molds. The production and processing line of solar frame products is also an automatic production line, which has advanced mechanical equipments and numerical control technology, so as to ensure that the products can be completed with quality and quantity. Hundreds of parts can be produced in the factory every day, with more than 100 tons daily output to meet the needs of global customers. There are rich solar energy resources in Zhangzhou City, Fujian Province, and YANGLIN's industry also locates here. YANGLIN sets up a series of ground-distributed photovoltaics. residential rooftop photovoltaics, industrial and commercial photovoltaics, and water-distributed photovoltaics to promote local green development.
我们公司是一家集合了研发、制造、销售的企业，只要开展光伏产品技术的进出口业务，拥有卓越的研发团队和专业的服务团队，建立了完善的质量管理体系，还具备了占地2万平米的全自动生产线，做到了原产销一体化。创新是企业成功的前提和动力。我们必须坚定地支持高质量产品的产出，不断创新，企业才能成长变强，承担起更多的社会责任。只有不停地更新和升级技术，才能满足客户的各种需求。我们坚持持续努力地提高产品质量和服务水平，以此打造企业品牌，赢得客户信任。
YANGLIN Tech Co Limited is always based on the principles of integrity, with the mission of picking sunlight and energy to build a beautiful homeland, pursuing customer first, products advanced, continuous innovation, and green development. Business philosophy to create reliable, convenient, economical, and efficient solar energy products. YANGLIN will continue to fulfill its corporate mission and provide customers with high-quality products and optimized services.